Do your hands ever feel like pins and needles are running through them? Or maybe your legs feel weaker than they used to, like the strength is slowly slipping away? These aren't just random signs of getting older. They're your body's alarm system, warning that it's running low on something essential, collagen. After 60, collagen loss speeds up dramatically, leaving joints stiff, nerves irritated, and muscles tired. But here's the good news. You can fight back. And it doesn't take complicated diets or pills. Just 8 simple collagen-rich snacks, eaten daily, can help restore strength, reduce tingling, and rebuild vitality. Perfect. On 1. Bone broth bites, written with smooth flow, motivational tone, science-backed detail, and no mention of a speaker. Snack first. Bone broth bites. Bone broth has been called liquid gold for good reason. When bones, tendons, and connective tissue are simmered for hours, they release collagen, amino acids, and minerals in their most absorbable form. Every sip delivers type 1 and type 3 collagen, the very same kinds that keep skin elastic, bones strong, and joints resilient. After 60, when collagen levels are already depleted, bone broth works almost like a patch kit, repairing and reinforcing the body's structural foundation. The beauty of this snack is its versatility. It doesn't always have to be a steaming cup of broth. Freeze small portions in ice cube trays and keep them ready in the freezer. Pop one out, warm it, and enjoy it like a savory tea. Drop a cube into soups, stews, or even while cooking vegetables for a depth of flavor and a boost of collagen. For those who prefer convenience, dehydrated bone broth can be made into crunchy broth bites that store easily and taste surprisingly satisfying. The benefits go far beyond stronger bones. Collagen peptides from bone broth support the protective sheaths around nerves, helping calm tingling sensations in hands and feet. The glycine in broth enhances sleep quality, while glutamine helps repair the gut lining, improving nutrient absorption. Together, these effects create a ripple: better sleep, better digestion, stronger joints, and steadier energy. There's also something deeply comforting about bone broth. Many remember a grandparent simmering a pot on the stove, the aroma filling the home with warmth. Reintroducing it now is like reviving an age-old remedy, but this time, with the knowledge of how it directly supports longevity and mobility. Just a cup a day or a few frozen bites mixed into meals is enough to make a noticeable difference in how the body feels. This snack is both timeless and powerful. Easy to prepare, easy to enjoy, and easy to maintain as a daily habit. With consistency, bone broth bites can help rebuild strength in the legs, reduce the nagging sensation of tingling fingers, and bring back a sense of vitality that many thought was lost to age. It is a small step, but one that lays the foundation for stronger, more resilient years ahead. If bone broth is the warm and savory side of collagen support, Greek yogurt with chia seeds is the creamy and refreshing counterpart. This simple combination is more than just a snack. It's a nutrient powerhouse designed to nourish the body at every level. Thick, protein-rich Greek yogurt is loaded with the amino acids glycine and proline, 2 of the critical building blocks the body uses to weave collagen fibers. These fibers knit together muscles, skin, and connective tissue, strengthening the very framework that keeps legs steady and hands strong. Adding chia seeds takes this snack from good to extraordinary. These tiny seeds absorb liquid and swell into a gel-like consistency, delivering omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. Omega-3s are particularly important for reducing inflammation, one of the hidden drivers behind tingling nerves and stiff muscles. By calming inflammation, chia helps collagen do its repair work more effectively, allowing the body to rebuild and restore instead of constantly fighting damage. Preparation is effortless. A bowl of Greek yogurt topped with a spoonful of chia seeds and a drizzle of honey feels like a treat, but carries all the nutritional heft of a healing food. For an extra boost, add a handful of fresh berries, which provide vitamin C, the key nutrient that activates collagen synthesis in the first place. In just 5 minutes, this snack becomes a collagen-supporting trifecta, amino acids. From yogurt, omega-3s from chia, and collagen activation from fruit. There's also a psychological advantage to this snack. It tastes indulgent, like dessert, but fuels the body with ingredients that support energy, nerve health, and mobility. Instead of reaching for something processed and sugary, choosing this mix creates a sense of control and satisfaction, two feelings that are crucial for building consistent, healthy habits. The benefits unfold gradually but noticeably. Muscles feel more supported, nerves less irritable, and digestion more balanced thanks to the probiotics in yogurt. Over time, these small changes add up to greater stability when walking, reduced discomfort in the hands, and even a visible glow in the skin. Greek yogurt with chia is proof that supporting collagen doesn't need to be complicated. A simple creamy bowl can become a daily ritual that quietly strengthens the body from the inside out while still satisfying the taste buds. Some snacks do more than satisfy hunger. They act like protectors and builders working together inside the body. Salmon jerky and Brazil nuts are a perfect example of this synergy. On one side, salmon jerky delivers lean protein and collagen-supporting amino acids. On the other, Brazil nuts shield existing collagen from breaking down too quickly. Together, they provide strength, resilience, and protection for aging muscles and nerves. Salmon jerky is not only convenient, but also deeply nourishing. Rich in protein, it contains the very peptides that the body converts into new collagen fibers. It also brings in omega-3 fatty acids, which keep blood vessels flexible and circulation strong. This is vital because weak blood flow often worsens tingling in the hands and feet. With better circulation, nutrients and oxygen reach muscles more effectively, helping legs feel less heavy and more energized. Unlike processed chips or crackers, salmon jerky is portable, flavorful, and directly fuels mobility and nerve function. Brazil nuts, though small, are among the richest natural sources of selenium, a mineral that acts like a shield for collagen. Selenium neutralizes free radicals, preventing them from breaking down the collagen that the body works so hard to build. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day provide more than enough selenium to keep collagen strong and active. Their creamy texture and nutty flavor pair beautifully with the salty chew of salmon jerky, making the combination not just powerful but enjoyable. This duo also has a ripple effect across the body. Omega-3s from salmon calm inflammation, reducing stiffness and discomfort in joints, while selenium supports thyroid health, which plays a quiet but critical role in energy and muscle strength. Together, they create a snack that not only repairs but also protects, like strengthening the walls of a house while also shielding it from storms. Choosing this pair consistently can lead to noticeable results: steadier legs during long walks, hands that feel less prickly or numb, and an overall sense of renewed energy. It is a small yet strategic swap that replaces empty calories with nutrients that actively defend and rebuild the body's foundation. Simple, portable, and powerful. Salmon jerky and Brazil nuts are a team worth adding to the daily routine. Some of the most effective collagen-building snacks are also the simplest. Hard-boiled eggs and citrus slices form a powerful duo that works in perfect harmony. One provides the raw materials the body needs to create collagen, while the other provides the spark that makes the process possible. Eggs, especially the whites, are rich in proline, one of the key amino acids the body uses to stitch collagen fibers together. The yolks, often underestimated, bring in healthy fats, vitamin D, and trace minerals that strengthen bones and improve nutrient absorption. Together, they deliver a compact package of nutrition that supports joint strength, muscle repair, and skin elasticity. Having a few hard-boiled eggs ready in the refrigerator makes it easy to reach for something nourishing instead of something processed. On their own, eggs are excellent, but when paired with citrus, their power multiplies. Oranges, grapefruits, and tangerines are loaded with vitamin C, the single most important nutrient for collagen production. Without vitamin C, the amino acids from eggs cannot be effectively transformed into the strong collagen fibers that support tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. This is why scurvy, a disease caused by vitamin C deficiency, leads to weakness, bleeding gums, and fragile tissues. It's a vivid reminder of how essential this vitamin is for the body's structure. A snack of 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs alongside a few fresh citrus slices creates a perfect balance. The protein and fats from the eggs keep hunger satisfied, while the juicy sweetness of citrus refreshes the palate and ignites the collagen-building process. It's a combination that feels energizing and light, yet deeply restorative at the same time. This pair also helps regulate energy throughout the day. The protein in eggs prevents blood sugar spikes, while the vitamin C in citrus enhances iron absorption from other foods, boosting circulation and oxygen delivery to tissues. Over time, this means less fatigue, stronger legs, and hands that feel steadier and less prone to tingling. Hard-boiled eggs and citrus slices prove that building strength and protecting nerves doesn't have to be complicated. With just minutes of preparation, these everyday foods provide the body with both the building blocks and the activation switch for collagen production. A simple habit with powerful results. Sometimes the most enjoyable snacks are also the most healing. Berries and dark chocolate create a delicious combination that feels indulgent but works tirelessly to protect and restore collagen. One strengthens from the outside by shielding collagen fibers from damage, while the other improves circulation and delivers nutrients more efficiently to every corner of the body. Berries are small but mighty. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants known as polyphenols. These compounds act like bodyguards, defending collagen from free radicals that break it down prematurely. The deep, rich colors of berries come from anthocyanins, which strengthen blood vessels and improve circulation. Stronger blood vessels mean better nutrient delivery, which helps calm tingling in the hands and brings fresh energy to tired legs. Even a small handful daily can make a noticeable difference. Dark chocolate complements berries perfectly. High-quality chocolate with at least 70% cacao contains flavonoids that enhance blood flow and protect nerve function. This improved circulation doesn't just support heart health, it also ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach the extremities, reducing numbness and restoring vitality. Many people notice that even a small square of dark chocolate in the afternoon provides both satisfaction and a subtle lift in energy without the crash of sugary snacks. Together, berries and dark chocolate create a synergy that is both functional and enjoyable. The tart sweetness of berries balances the rich bitterness of chocolate, making it feel like a treat rather than a health habit. Yet beneath the taste lies a serious benefit: the preservation of collagen, stronger vessels, and protection for nerves and muscles. This pairing also carries emotional benefits. Allowing room for pleasure in healthy eating helps create consistency. A bowl of mixed berries topped with a sprinkle of dark chocolate shavings can replace less nutritious desserts, satisfying cravings while fueling long-term health. Over time, this habit strengthens the connection between enjoyment and wellness, making it easier to stick with nourishing choices. With every bite, berries and dark chocolate work quietly but powerfully, shielding collagen, improving circulation, and reducing the very sensations of weakness and tingling that often interfere with daily life after 60. Sweet, simple, and restorative, they prove that health can taste as good as it feels, strengthening hands, steadying legs, and restoring vitality after 60 doesn't it require complicated routines, just consistent, nourishing choices. Bone broth, yogurt with chia, salmon jerky, Brazil nuts, eggs, citrus, berries, and dark chocolate form a simple daily pattern that fuels collagen, protects nerves, and rebuilds strength from within. Each snack is easy to prepare, enjoyable to eat, and powerful in its impact. Begin today by adding even 2 of these foods into your routine and notice the change. For more life-changing health strategies, subscribe now, stay connected, and keep building the strong, vibrant future your body deserves.